So Tumpa, how is the coffee?
It's good, as it's a black coffee, and with black coffee I like generally, right? It will increase our metabolism. So all girls, I'm sure they would love to have this for weight loss. And it has jaggery and cardamom, so it doesn't give us a very bitter taste of coffee, and at the same time, you know, that mild aroma of cardamom. It's nice.
How far is the room, sir?
It's quite far.
Quite far.
Like almost 1.5 kilometers.
Okay, so 2 series come above 1 series.
Yeah.
But then 3 and 4 would be higher, right?
No, we don't have any 3 now.
No 3 and 4?
2 will be the last one.
Okay, but somebody told me who was over phone, he told me 4 levels of...
Yeah, 4 levels in the sense, yeah ma'am. Like, you know, this is actually first level. If we go like, you know, further up, that will be second level. But the series wise, 2 series will be the last.
What's the area of the property?
It's 184 acres ma'am.
184.
Yeah, it's 184 acres property, but
But yeah, this seems to be bigger.
yeah, this is huge ma'am.
So the trekking pathway, does it come entirely within the property or?
No sir,
Okay.
actually it starts inside a property itself.
Okay.
We are taking you to the another hill, so we call it as, you know,
And what is the timing for dining?
yeah, so breakfast starts from 7:30 to 10:30, and lunch will be from
So there are 2 cottages in one setting. So our cottage is towards the left one. Let's see how the cottage is. So you have something like you can control the temperature from here, and you have some cupboards. Bathrobes, place your luggage, nice mirror, and then here you have a key safe, couple of hangers, and again this room has, it's actually a suite, it's not a room. It has 2 levels. One level you have the bed and all the other facilities like night lamp, reading lamp, bathroom slippers, torch, telephone, and there is a TV. And you have another level, and there is a chessboard. There is the elevation spa. You can see the menu by scanning the QR code. Okay. Let's go outside. Yeah. So this will be the balcony. Wow. So this door doesn't open basically because other inmates are there, but what I like with this property is that your balcony area is completely secluded from other guests. With great view of the mountain as well. This property is on the second level, so it's quite far from the reception area, so it's not easy to walk to the reception area. So it is at a height as well, so you get some views here. You can see water gushing down. There seems to be some kind of waterfall there within the property itself, and you can hear the sound of the water flowing down. And the room view from balcony. There are a couple of glasses. Not sure what is this. Tumpa, what is this?
These ones.
Pillows? What?
Maybe extra for if you want to relax in the balcony. You take a pillow.
Okay. And lots of different options. Water bottles. Different coffee varieties.
Tea, green tea, all that.
Nothing there in
So we
refreshments, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the refrigerator is tied to the door. So this is a suite. This is the only kind of property offered here. You can't find 2-3 different varieties. So when you book, you will get, if you do any booking, you will get this kind of property. For me, it costed around 22 to 23,000. I went on a weekday, still it costed me that much. But if you do on a weekend, it will cost you even more. So my suggestion is do it on a weekday, but then do it days before, weeks before in fact. If you're not sure, you can still cancel. I think makemytripbooking.com, they offer cancellation, free cancellation. So you can cancel up to 3 days before check-in. So you would know within the 3-day gap that whether you're really traveling or not. So if you're not traveling, you can cancel it. But my suggestion is book 3 weeks, 4 weeks in advance and try to go off season to get this property at a really good price. So you saw this property when the screens are closed with all the lightings on. So now what you're going to do is we are going to open all the screens and show you how much lighting comes into the property. So this is the view of the room after we switch off all the lights and open the curtains. It's quite ventilating. Lots of natural light comes in. You feel like you are living in a forest. And there is something special with this window as well. So let me show you that. Just open this. Just open this. You just pull it down. Yeah, you get some fresh air.
You said, yeah.
And you can do it from this side as well.
This feature is really nice.
Yeah. So at last we have the bathroom here. So we have the suite here, and there is some partition, cupboard, and you have the bathroom. So all the toiletries, wash basin, towels, and the bathing area. You can pull this up for better ventilation, and there is a weight balance as well.
common here?
Yes, in a western, not only here, western gets quite common,
Quite
especially in the
common.
monsoon time.
Okay.
There are more than 350 varieties of leeches are there, which grows very bigger, and especially the juice is very less, especially used for the biryanis. And while making tea, we can use this leaf. You get a strong flavor. You just can pluck and you can smell it out.
Like in Bengalis, we call it Gondoraj. I don't know if it.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, it will go long. Yeah, it's almost the same.
it's called as Russian.
I can spell it.
In a day, 8 to 10 inch of rainfall, which happens in this place actually.
Oh.
Because not only here, everywhere in food, boars are quite common. They eat only the wild root, and they dig the soil. They eat the earthworms. So in the property also, you can see the edges. They are digging the night, especially in the night time. Like we have a two trekkings, morning at 6:30 a.m. and 7 a.m. So 6:30 we goes the top of the hill. It's about the 60 degrees steep. We want to climb around 2.5 kilometers. So 1.5 kilometers is normal path, like muddy path. It's around 35 to 40 degree. After that we are entering for the Western Ghats Reserve Forest. So like it's about 60 degrees steep. Small terrain. The single person can go in that terrain actually. So it's not man-made. In the rainy season, the water which comes from the top that made as a pathway. The shorter trek which goes around 4 kilometers up and down. We're going around open place area. We can see the mountain view from there actually. Arabica, November to Jan, Robusta Jan to March. Arabica is a mild coffee, Robusta is a stronger one. So while plucking the coffee, we are plucking by hand pluck. So people will use full shirt, hand gloves, boots because coffee is very sweet. Red ants will be there in a plantation. So we will maintain the height of the coffee plant also. Arabica is 3 to 4 feet, Robusta 5 to 6 feet. We are not using any machines to pluck the coffee. And we know we need a shade. But in the world's largest production of coffee is Brazil. This place is called as Manthan. It's a composting area. We do the compost here itself, and it's certified from the Karnataka government pollution. Actually, so that's the reason Tata is buying our coffee, because Tata is there with the Starbucks. They need organic coffee, but yield is less, but we get a good price.
One which is more common.
These are all the Arabica variety, because Arabica coffee we can't plant in a normal level area. It should be above the sea level and 3,500 feet above. But Robusta can plant in normal level area.
What is the minimum height required for Robusta as well?
4 to 5 feet.
So it can be planted on plain?
Plain in here, rainfall place, not only everywhere. You can use plant.
So it can be planted on any plain with rainfall?
And this is a natural water, and it's a stream water. Actually, it's water which comes from the mountain. Like you can't block this water. This water is running for the river Kaveri. And
Snake habitat. Is it true?
not this one. We have one more. Like it's called a Chinese bamboo. These are snakes.
Snakes with the.
Not this bamboo. This is a tropical bamboo. This bamboo can use for the construction purpose also.
So other than boar, any other kind of wildlife animals coming here?
That won't come because we have a fence.
Okay, so they
Electric
do not.
fence.
So other than boar,
No, we have seen some barking deers in the plantation.
okay.
So somehow it jumped the fence and she went back again. It's in a star shape. It's called as star mosses. Especially you can see these kind of these are the star moss.
Star shaped.
Which comes in star shape. And these are the wild ferns. There are different types of ferns are there in the country. Why we maintain the height of the coffee plant? Because we are plucking by hand pluck. So
Okay.
if it is go very tall, it's very difficult to pluck the coffee. But Brazil, they use machine. They don't need any shade, and they use the by machine itself.
Any drawbacks of using the machine or any advantages of using the hand?
Machine, the plant will die very soon actually.
Okay.
The life of the plant of Arabica is 60 to 65 years. So Robusta is more than 80 to 85 years. So Arabica is more expensive than the Robusta, the coffee bean.
Okay.
But the drying process which goes two method, like wet method and natural sunlight. So Robusta which goes natural sunlight method, we just pluck the coffee, will dry it under the sunlight for the 8 days. So then the outer skin will become black in color. And this coffee especially we are selling for the Tata coffee. We are using the organic compost. So that's reason we are getting less yield, but we get a good price.
Here it's all Arabica, right?
Yeah, these are the Arabica, the smaller plant, smaller leaf, bigger beans. In the month of November, it's harvesting time actually. If it is heavy rain, there are chances of droppings. If it is fall down, we can't use that coffee. It become black in color actually.
You have both Robusta and Arabica here.
Yeah. Both the variety we have.
Okay. So Robusta is from which country basically?
Both are from African coffee. So
Arabica
Arabica
is from-
actually is smuggled coffee.
Yeah, yeah.
So Indian Sufi, his name is Baba Budan.
Budangiri.
Yeah, he went for the pilgrim to Mecca. He smuggled 7 bean. And he
Okay.
came to India in Chikmagalur. He planted in Chikmagalur. Now it's India's largest production of coffee. Around 60% coffee which is produced from there itself. 40% from here in Cool. So Indian coffee which export from most of the European countries.
So, but both came from Africa.
Yes, yeah.
But why it's called Arabica?
No, both. It's from African coffee.
Oh.
So, like Arabica, because it came from Arab country actually.
They smuggled from Arabica.
Yes.
Okay.
Arab countries can grow coffee. No, Ethiopia. Actually, the story goes. So, in the 9th century, so Ethiopian goat shepherd, he was grazing the goats. It was the first coffee was tasted in 9th century. So, like. It came by the goat actually, the main story which goes from the goat. Because of the goats, now we are drinking the coffee
drinking
more.
the coffee.
Yeah, and the goat shepherd, Mr. Khalidi, his name is. For the sweets.
Cow.
And morning it go for the grazing inside the property, and evening 3:30 it come back again.
Desi cow.
This is the maximum height of the property.
Pretty short, huh?
Which species this is?
Malanadu Gitta.
So how much? This cow has a name?
1 or 2 liter because cow will be drinking the milk.
This one has a name?
Name Kaveri, some different names are there. There is a person. Just for the good vibes, the first cow which brought from the Dharmasthala actually, long back when the resort starts, no, that time. He told that the person who's taking caring about these cows, he told that is a Kaveri. So I can't remember the name of the cow.
ये क्या waterfall है? How many waterfalls in the property?
3. 2 we already saw.
One more in the.
But there were many small, I guess.
That is the bigger one. There is a ramp also. This is the bigger one.
easily identify which one is which just by drinking a coffee?
Yes, bitterness will be more in
More
this,
in-
mild and rich in this. And you can see both the variety of pea beans.
Okay,
Can
the
you make it
single
out?
seeds.
Yeah, single seeds.
This is Arabica.
Yes, absolutely. This is a Robusta. Dark in color, light in color.
So it's chilling for 1 or 2 minutes. Right?
Something like a filter.
This is a filter coffee. We are using the espresso machine.
How is it?
Very strong. First level में आता है.
वो फर्स्ट हाँ मैम 214 ऊपर में ये इधर से जाओगे तो करना तो ऊपर ही जाएगा
तो ये नॉर्मली शॉर्टकट है.
हाँ,
ये
ये-
एक रास्ता
यही
है.
रास्ता है शॉर्टकट के लिए थोड़ा सीढ़ी मिलेगा
हाँ वही तो.
हाँ वही सीढ़ी कहाँ पे
और
है?
वो छोटे छोटे स्टेप है
हाँ चलेगा हम.
हाँ, यही हम से आ जाएगा
अच्छा बट ये सीढ़ी शायद छोटा सा ही है ना?
हाँ थोड़ा ही है।
बस उतना ही है.
उतना नहीं थोड़ा सा इतना और ऊपर जाना है
अच्छा तो ऐसे ही चलेंगे.
Okay, thanks भैया.
थैंक यू.
So this is another way to reach our cottage room. We are going into the woods. Hello everyone, so there is a free trekking trail that is part of this package. So it is just 1.5 hour trekking. So we will go up the hills and come down, so it's total of 4 kilometers. And I'm going to show you the trekking trail. This is the area around bar and restaurant where you get dinner, lunch and breakfast. And this is how you would go for the trek, that in-house trek which Tamarakur offers. Basically, if you stand now, I think that's where it is. It's better not to stand, I guess. Hello everyone, we have had a wonderful stay for the past 24 hours and I will give you some tips and give my review, give my feedback about the resort, whether you should go for the resort or not. And note that I'm not being paid by Tamarakur. It is completely unpaid review. I'm just going to give my thoughts. I and my wife, we both will share our experiences. So Tumpa, what do you like about this resort?
See, the first of all, what I felt is it's different in a way. It has a huge area.
Yeah.
Right?
It looks like the resort is carved out of a forest.
Yeah,
Okay.
and they have these 3 in-house waterfalls.
Yeah, lots of waterfalls.
Picnic
Lots of
spots.
like 3 major waterfalls, and there are small waterfalls.
Small, yeah. Big
Yeah.
ones, 3
Yeah.
they have. They have a lot of these plantations. You can see unique flowers.
Okay.
So all those, flower
Yeah.
lovers and plant lovers, they would
Yeah.
love this place.
One thing with this place is that there are a lot of leeches. So if you are planning to come during the rainy season, better to carry long socks.
And shoes
Probably,
in which
yeah.
leeches can't penetrate.
Yeah,
Sneakers
boots or
boots.
trekking shoes, something like that. To begin with, let's start with discussing the price. So the price that we paid was 22,000 something. We were in fact getting for 19,000. From our perspective, I would still say that if you're getting this property at maybe 17,000, 16 to 17,000, it will be a really great deal. 22,000 from my perspective is a little higher.
Yeah, like for people, as you were telling, who come for like 3 days stay or 2 days, probably for them it would be a good deal, like not for like a one night stay.
I booked earlier and I had to cancel that property because our dates were not matching. So that time I booked it for 19,000. Yeah, that was fine, kind of fine, slightly stretched, but 22 is little bit more stretched, I would say. If you want to come here, book the property well in advance, 3 weeks, 4 weeks in advance, not a problem. You can still cancel your booking just 3 days before you're gonna stay. So by that way, you can get the best price possible to stay at this property. Basically, you live in a forest,
Yeah,
okay, and you can see the mountains, you can see the hilltop,
plants.
and things like coffee trail, cardamom trail,
Yeah, we really
coffee
had
plantation,
this
all
coffee
this is included in the
plantation.
price. And the best thing I like about the property is is Mr. Madan. I have to compliment him. He was really knowledgeable. He took really care of us during the
Yeah.
trekking when we were having leeches all over us.
Both. He did
Yeah.
the guided tour for plantation. And also I like that, that process that they show. Like we all drink
Yeah, in
coffee,
fact,
but
they did not.
brew to blossom.
Yeah,
No, blossom
during
to
the
brew.
during the coffee plantation tour, Mr. Madan showed us the coffee beans. Okay, he showed us the different varieties of coffee, all that. But then, after coming to veranda, he showed the different machines that are used for. One is for sieving, one is for processing all
The
that.
entire process.
I thought it's just that. Okay, you showed the seeds and you showed some processes, and I thought we are just gonna go. But then he went ahead and he went through the actual process of making that coffee.
Yeah, for all of us.
Yeah, for
and
all of us, he made the
checked our
coffee.
tastes as well.
Yeah,
Whoever is,
yeah.
what
That was really awesome. So coming to the NIF score. So what rating do you think you're gonna give this property?
Yeah, I think as I said, everything was good. Food variety was also good, but I would not say like a huge variety. And the cost little more, but rest everything was too good. The area and plants, everything. Yeah, I would give. What is yours?
Mine would be 9.0.
Mine is little more, 9.2.
Really generous. Eh?
Yeah.
And then one more thing, if you are coming to this property, make sure to call them in advance and ask them that you want a property at the high level. So they have different levels. So this is at the second level. So at this level you get a really good view. So that's it from us. Okay, until the time I see you next, goodbye from me and Tumpa.